What is n8n? n8n is a tool that helps you connect different applications and automate how they work together. Let's make this very simple. Every day you use different applications for different tasks. You might use WhatsApp to talk to customer, email to send message, Google Sheet to store information. Each of these applications work well on its own, but the problem is they don't naturally work together. So you end up doing a lot of things manually. You move information from one app to another. You reply messages one by one. You repeat the same step every single day. And as things grow, it becomes stressful. Now imagine a different way of working. Something happens once and everything else follows automatically. For example, someone fills a form. Their details are saved instantly. At the same time, a message is sent automatically and you also get notified. Everything happens as one smooth flow without you doing anything manually. That's what n8n allows you to do. With n8n, you can connect different applications together and create systems that run automatically in the background. Okay, now let's talk about how it works in a simple way. Everything in n8n is built around something called a workflow. A workflow is just a set of steps. It starts with something happen, then action follow. For example, a form is submitted, a message is sent, data is stored. So in simple terms, something happen, n8n reacts, and the result is completed automatically. Once you understand this idea, you can start building systems that handle tasks for you. And the more you practice, the more powerful your system becomes. If you are enjoying this and you want to learn more about n8n automation, like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. In the next lesson, we will set up n8n and get everything running. Let's continue.